Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. There's this thing called dry hot pot recently in the market, which is very popular amongst Malaysians. Appa also like it, and since I can't go out and eat, I will just make it myself. But today I'm using the readymix paste. Yeah. Few reasons why I use the readymix paste is because number one, we can never really make as good as them because we will not put as much oil as they will. Yeah, China dishes they put a lot of oil. So anyway, and they will put a lot of chilies and different kinds of chili and stuff. So might as well use the ready mix, and it will make your life so much easier. Okay, so very easy. Just go to any supermarket or online to buy. Or I will try to put the one that I use inside the description ingredient list. And today I'm actually using my favorite Berkshire pork. This is their white pork, and this is a very special and unique cut called jaw stick, Jowl. So you can actually see from here, see, you have some meat over left hand side and then one layer of fat, and this is actually not just fat, it's like a combination between fat and a little bit of tendon, things like that. And so the whole thing is going to be very crunchy. Yeah, I know it's strange for me to use this word for a pork, but it will actually taste crunchy. So anyway, this pork from Berkshires is without any growth hormone. There's no any unwanted chemicals inside, so it is very natural. So if you want to know where to buy this, Appa has been buying their pork for the past few years, so it's very reliable for me. So if you want to know where to buy, you can either go to their physical shop or you can go to their online. I will put the information, the buying in the description, video description. You can go there and check. Okay, so I actually cut it into slices, and this is approximately 200 grams. And also I marinate with a little bit of salt and Shaoxing wine. So basically there's no rules as to what you want to put inside the dry pot. So all the others is my favorite, my favorite veggie, cucumber. You'll be surprised. Put cucumber in your mala. It will taste really good. Okay? Very good, very refreshing. And then this is another of my favorite, king oyster mushroom. I have some leftover tofu here. I have some cauliflower here. Also, all this will really absorb the mala flavor. I have some cabbage here, and this is the dried chili. Actually, this dried chili comes together with the packing. And this is important. I have some spring onion and also fresh coriander. Yeah, fresh coriander, very important for this dish. And a bit of chopped ginger and garlic. Very easy to cook. Prepare all these ingredients and mix everything up. Done.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Later, I will also show you how I make the dipping sauce. Actually, it's not a sauce, it's powders. They call it gan tie, dried powders. Okay, so I'm going to put in a little bit of oil here, just for my garlic and ginger. Saute this for about a minute to bring out the fragrance, then I'll put in the rest of the ingredients. I'll come back shortly. Okay, this is after about a minute or two. We can now put in the dried chili. Dried chili will definitely need some heat to really bring out a nice aroma. And in China, it's actually called gong bao. This is where you see the gong bao chicken. Yeah? The gong bao is the dried chili. Okay, tune down the fire a little bit. The ready mix sauce. The one I'm using is actually not spicy, but very flavorful. Okay, tune out the fire a little bit now. Ooh. You can smell the chili oil, the broad bean paste. Yeah, actually those are the things which they put inside, and of course the Sichuan peppercorn. So I'm going to dilute this a little bit before I put in the meat and stuff. Start with some Sichuan wine. And also some hot water. Try to use hot water whenever you can because you don't want to reduce the heat of your wok. And I'm going to put in the marinated jaw steak first. This will be slightly longer to cook compared to the other ingredient. Later this will already be crunchy. Yeah, a meat which is crunchy, seriously, it's really nice. This amount is definitely good for 2 to 3 adults, yeah? Okay. Then the tofu. Now I can raise the heat a bit more. Cauliflower. Any veggie to your personal preference. This is my cabbage. My king oyster mushroom. Later, all this will actually shrink, so don't worry, okay? But if you find you don't have enough broth, you can actually add a bit more Sichuan wine or hot water. See, it is now shrinking already, very fast. A cucumber. I learned this from a YouTuber from China, adding cucumber into a mala. Super nice because the cucumber can give you a refreshing taste. Secondly, it can actually absorb the flavor into it very nicely. Still have some chili paste, a little bit of the chili paste just now, don't waste. Okay, now I'm going to give it some light soy sauce. A little bit of salt, because I added some broth, yeah? Just a little bit of salt. It's actually almost done. Just actually here, the thing I want to make sure is the meat and also the cauliflower. Okay, now put in the spring onion. Ooh. And where's my cover? So I'm going to cover this for about a minute or two, then it's done. Let it cook for a minute or two. Okay, this is after simmering under medium-high heat for the past 1 to 2 minutes. Everything should be fully cooked right now. I think if you order this outside, it will cost you probably at least 30-40 ringgit. Okay, confirm everything is fully cooked. Basically, it's done. But I'm going to show you how I make the gan tie, yeah? So I'm going to off the fire. Let me show you how I make the gantie and while I dish it out. Okay. So basically, I will use 3 elements here. The first one is Sichuan peppercorn powder. This will give you the numbing feel. Second is the Chinese type of their chili powder. Usually it's mixed with a little bit of chili flakes. Right? So third thing, I will add some salt. And then mix everything up. Now, in China, actually they will add sesame. Appa doesn't like sesame. So, Appa doesn't like sesame, so you won't see sesame here. But usually they mix that 3. If you go to Hai Di Lao also, you're going to find these 3 also, and it tastes really good, not too spicy. All right. Okay, I have dished out the dry pot here, and of course, I'm going to give it a lot of fresh coriander. Right. Okay. Our very simple lunch is ready. Okay, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like it, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. If you want to know how or where Appa bought all these ingredients, I'll put the info in the description for those interested. Alright, bye bye!